Chad Hefley's my brother-in-law. He's married to my sister. He manages a ranch down in Texas, and the other day the neighboring ranch called and asked if he wanted to go up in a helicopter with them to help gather cows. He accepted and took his phone along to video. Chad's a big part of Gen 1 and wanted to share his experience with us. I hope you enjoy the short little clip.
So, we're headed out this morning. I got a call yesterday afternoon from my neighbor at the ranch next door, and he asked me if I wanted to come gather cows today. So I told him, I said, yeah, I'd love to. So sometimes down here in the Texas brush country, folks do things a little bit different. And so today we are jumping in a helicopter and are gonna go pin some cows. So, anyway, super excited. Never been in a helicopter, and just headed over there right now. So, yeah.